What's up, guys? It's Dude TV, dropping another video for you, and today we are installing LED lights into the Scion Tc. This isn't the first time we had lights. I'm going to show you a clip right there, and yeah, but this time we actually got the proper lights so we don't super glue stuff to our car and screw up our interior. So yeah, I got these on Amazon for like 15 bucks. Has 4 splits, or like has 4 light sections for each part of the car, obviously. And instead of doing like the cigarette lighter plug-in, we got one of these to just plug in to the normal adapter or whatever. What I'm really hoping is this stuff actually sticks, because last time I tried to put stuff in, it didn't stick, and then I had to glue it, and I'm not really gonna glue it this time. If it doesn't stick, I'm just gonna rip it out, and that's money wasted. But do you see all this wiring? Do you know how much wire tucking we're gonna have to do? At the end of this, I'm hoping it looks sweet. If it doesn't, I'm gonna die. Alright, so first thing we have to do is we gotta find the plug-in. Oh wait, the plug-in's right here. But we're going to plug this in, make sure everything works. Alright, so everything's working. Alright, so first we're going to separate everything and lay out what lights go where. Might not even end up wire tucking these back ones, because I might just put them under the seat.
Yeah. New whip, ain't no key to start that bitch. Sick of fake friends talking down, so I've been hopping clicks, trying to knock my shit.
Alright, step 2, we gotta take the 3M off the back. Do it without taking off the stick, which is hard to do apparently. Pretty sticky, so I'm hoping this sticks properly.
But I got pride of shit, I got mess to get. Spend my time on music, not on beef, that should be common sense. Pull up in a Benz and
that one's on there, and it's hard to see from up here. You guys are seeing it down here because of the camera angle, but that's what I want them hidden away. Alright, we hopped over the passenger side now, obviously, and we gotta do the same thing to this one.
I just spent a check, now I'm feeling blessed. Really on the fence, feeling unimpressed. You at rest, I'm at my best.
Alright, that's tucked up in there pretty good. And before we go into the back and do the backs, I want to just make sure that I'm going to have enough slack back there, so I'm going to tuck these wires first. We got my trusty rusty blade my brother gave me when I was like 15, I don't even know. But what we're going to do is we're going to pop off some of the things over here. We're going to pop off some of the panels and try to get this wire hidden as much as possible.
I ain't dropped in a minute, sorry for the wait. Everyone's a rapper now, I hope they kept y'all entertained. Everybody got a dream, so who the fuck am I to hate? But don't be talking shit on me if you got double-digit plays. Sipping Minute Maid in an Escalade.
Okay, everything's working over here good. We got it tucked back pretty good. I don't think we're gonna have any problems with this side. This side's gonna be a lot trickier, but I'm pretty sure we'll be alright.
Kids just want the fame, honestly, I just want to change. I'm so sick of hearing Paulos driving MPA, and I'm so sick of kids that used to fuck with snatching house to save. Been trying to bite me, it is so high key, I take it lightly, cause you ain't nothing like me. Mud on my Nikes, rain on my Y3, tell me, is this real, girl, do you even like me?
For the back, we did 2 really crappy noticeable tucks because I'm not really sure where else I'm supposed to put them. But yeah, let's hook them up now. The back is going to be a lot more complicated than I thought. So first, we're going to feed the wire under this so the tracks don't run over the light. Next, gotta take off the 3M. And we're gonna kind of wing it.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm going to do the other side real quick, and then I'm going to show you guys the finished product. Alright guys, I'm back. I waited till it was nighttime out just so you could see the lights better, but here it is.
New whip, ain't no key to start that bitch. Sick of fake friends talking down, so I've been hopping clicks, trying to knock my shit, but I got pride of shit. I got mess to get. Spend my time on music, not on beef, that should be common sense. Pull up in a Benz and I ain't 10. I just spend a check.
Alright guys, that's it. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure you go watch the last one. Make sure you're commenting, subscribing, turning on post notifications, all that. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Season 2's, you know what I do, I be wasted. Pull up in a SLS, yeah, we racing. 58 burning.